Is your house haunted? Not to worry, there's a buyer. "70% of Americans believe in the paranormal. And according to a recent survey, 60% say they've experienced an event personally, and 1 in 4 Americans say they've seen a ghost. And that's good for real estate. How? Well, 58% of home buyers say they would purchase a haunted house. Nearly 25% think they already have. Millennials are the most likely to move into a haunted house. 63% are willing to buy, and 30% say paranormal events would not deter their home purchase. Sellers are not quite as open to the ghostly romps. Only 2/3 of sellers would disclose a haunting under certain circumstances, like being asked directly. 8% would never say anything. Ghosts or not, Halloween is a good time for real estate. Who are you going to call? Call or text me today. If this information was helpful, check out my YouTube channel to see more videos and subscribe.